Do fennel seeds help with cough? Imagine standing in a kitchen filled with the warm, aromatic scent of spices. Among them, fennel seeds stand out, often used in cooking and traditional remedies. But have you ever wondered if these tiny seeds can actually help alleviate a cough? Fennel seeds, scientifically known as Foeniculum vulgare, have been used in various cultures for centuries. They are known for their potential health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These characteristics may play a role in soothing respiratory issues, including coughs. When it comes to cough relief, fennel seeds are often consumed in different forms. Some people brew them into a tea, while others chew on the seeds directly. The seeds contain compounds such as anethol, which may help relax the muscles of the respiratory tract. This relaxation can potentially ease coughing fits, making it easier to breathe. Additionally, fennel seeds are thought to have expectorant properties. This means they may help clear mucus from the airways, which can be beneficial for those experiencing a productive cough. By promoting the expulsion of mucus, fennel seeds might assist in reducing the frequency and intensity of coughing. However, it is essential to note that while fennel seeds may provide some relief, they are not a substitute for medical treatment. If a cough persists or is accompanied by other concerning symptoms, consulting a healthcare professional is always advisable. In conclusion, fennel seeds may offer some benefits for cough relief due to their potential anti-inflammatory and expectorant properties. Whether enjoyed as a tea or chewed directly, they can be a soothing addition to your wellness routine, especially during cold and flu season.